Ready to elevate your garage game? Say hello to the ultimate lifting power. In today's video, we're diving into the world of the best aluminum floor jacks, your go-to tool for heavy lifting made light. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a DIY mechanic, or just someone who loves top-notch gear, these jacks are about to blow your mind. Lightweight, yet unbelievably strong. They're the perfect blend of durability and portability. We'll break down the top picks, compare features, and reveal which one deserves a spot in your toolbox. Don't miss out on this game-changing guide. Your next big upgrade is just a click away. Let's jack it up. Number 5. DNA Motoring Tools 00234 is a high-quality hydraulic trolley jack that promises durability and performance for vehicle enthusiasts and professionals alike. With a remarkable load capacity of 2 tons for 000 lbs. It offers a lifting range from a minimum height of 5.1 inches to a maximum height of 13 inches, making it ideal for a variety of vehicle service tasks. This jack features an overload protection mechanism with a reliable safety release valve, ensuring that you can work safely without the risk of damage or injury. Constructed from heavy-duty alloy steel, it combines lightweight design with a robust performance, while the swivel casters allow for easy maneuverability in any garage setting. Customers have rated it a respectable 4.3 on Amazon, making it a go-to choice for those seeking the best aluminum floor jacks. Experience the seamless lifting and stability that DNA Motoring promises. Number 4. ProLift TF 2315P Hydraulic Trolley Jack is the ultimate solution for lifting your vehicle with ease and efficiency. With a robust load capacity of 3,000 pounds, this jack is perfect for all your car maintenance needs. Its maximum lifting height of 12 inches ensures it can handle a variety of vehicles, while the minimum height of just 5.25 inches allows for easy access under low-profile cars. Crafted from durable alloy steel, this trolley jack features an all-welded construction with rust-resistant components, ensuring longevity and reliability in your garage. Transporting and storing the jack is a breeze thanks to its sturdy carrying handle and blow-molded case. Plus, equipped with large steel casters and swivel casters, maneuvering this jack in tight spaces is seamless. Rated an impressive 4.3 stars on Amazon, the ProLift TF 2315P is undoubtedly a top choice for those in search of the best aluminum floor jacks. Don't miss out on making your car maintenance simpler and more efficient. Number 3. TCE Torin Hydraulic Low-Profile Trolley Service / Floor Jack. The ultimate tool for your automotive needs. With a robust 2.5-ton, 5,000 lb capacity and a minimum lifting height of just 3 1/3 inches. This jack is perfect for getting under most cars, trucks, and SUVs. Its impressive maximum height of 14.94 inches allows for versatile use, while the heavy-duty alloy steel construction ensures durability and a sleek industrial finish. Safety is a top priority with TCE's built-in safety bypass system, preventing overloading and guaranteeing secure operation. Plus, with 2 large steel casters and 2 360-degree swivel casters, maneuvering it around the garage has never been easier. Rated at 4.3 stars on Amazon, this jack is a must-have for anyone looking for a reliable and safe option for vehicle maintenance. Upgrade your toolkit with the TCE Hydraulic Floor Jack, the best aluminum floor jack you can trust. Number 2. Jack Boss Floor Jack with a remarkable 3-ton capacity. This robust tool is engineered for performance, boasting a maximum lifting height of 18.3 inches and a minimum height of 5.1 inches, making it ideal for various vehicles, including cars, trucks, and SUVs. Made from durable alloy steel, this jack combines strength with longevity, ensuring that it will be a reliable partner in your garage or shop for years to come. One standout feature is its flexible swivel casters, allowing for easy positioning. Thanks to its sturdy 2-inch steel front casters and 360-degree swivel design, this jack meets ANSI/ISME PASE safety standards, giving you peace of mind during use. With a solid Amazon customer rating of 4.4. It's no surprise that this product is regarded as one of the best aluminum floor jacks on the market today. Plus, Jack Boss backs this quality with a 1-year warranty guarantee, making it a trustworthy choice for all your car repair needs. Number 1. Big Red T83006 Tauren Hydraulic Trolley Service/Floor Jack is an exceptional tool designed for the serious DIY enthusiast or professional mechanic. With an impressive 3-ton, 6,000 lb load capacity, this floor jack is tailored to lift SUVs and extend to height trucks effortlessly. Its sturdy alloy steel construction ensures long-term durability, while the striking red finish adds a touch of industrial flair. Featuring a minimum lifting height of 5.88 inches and a maximum height of 20.88 inches. It provides versatility for a range of vehicles. The jack is equipped with 2 large steel casters and 2 360-degree swivel casters for easy maneuverability. The single-piston quick-lift pump allows for swift height adjustments, and the safety bypass system offers peace of mind while operating. The extra-long saddle neck minimizes lifting time for higher vehicles, making it a top choice among aluminum floor jacks. In conclusion, choosing the right aluminum floor jack can greatly enhance your vehicle maintenance experience. With their lightweight construction and remarkable lifting capacity, these jacks provide the perfect balance of efficiency and safety. We hope our top picks help you make an informed decision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. And share this video with fellow automotive enthusiasts. Happy lifting!